Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Fotki VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Fotki experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Fotki? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info and photo uploads stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never risk having your data exposed while browsing or sharing on Fotki. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers or photos you access. But the areas where they differ, that's what really matters for Fotki users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Fotki because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy when handling your personal photo collections. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could sneak in trackers or scam you with fake photo sharing offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends for private photo sharing and collaborative albums. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once while enjoying Fotki. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Fotki user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for your Fotki browsing and uploading. And for any Fotki user facing slow connections, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy option for faster access to your photos. This can help speed up your connection. Just keep in mind you're trading off a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Fotki? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker photo uploads and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance can vary, with occasional slowdowns depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, seamless photo sharing and browsing are your top priority, or if you want an all-around VPN packed with handy features. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices, or need a rock-solid connection for your entire household's Fotki use. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer outstanding value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget-conscious or a privacy-focused Fotki user who likes transparent, proven security. Its open-source apps and verified no-logs policy are genuinely unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for Fotki. See you soon.